Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. You know what, y'all? That's something I want to talk about, though. Dominoes, your boy Dominoes 7 has been down in the dumps, suffering from depression, anxiety, and anxious all the time, you know? Okay. So, nothing else I would ever think about, you know? Excuse me. Well, I have anxiety right now, you know. I definitely have anxiety right now, you know. Yes, indeed, though. I mean, maybe I need some medicine to treat it, you know, because I get frustrated from time to time. I lost my mom and stuff like that. She passed away and stuff like that, you know. Nothing else I can say. You know, so much suffering, so much all that, you know. Okay. Actually, that was a message from Facebook, you know. Okay. So, on the serious side, y'all, I don't know what else to say though. I guess I do need medicine to calm my nerves, you know. My nerves been bad for years, even when my mom was here, you know. A lot of shit been bothering Dominoes 7 lately, you know. Yeah. So, I'll switch over to whatchamacallit right now. So I'm gonna do a YouTube live afterwards, okay? On my other channel, this channel, or whatever. Okay. Alright, bye.